all the way over there. Anyhow.
Me?
Yeah.
It was for the camera.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, why are you moist? Oh, that's a really big starter. Need an extra hand to hold it up?
Yeah, but I also need those clamps, and I got the screws, but I didn't bring the clamps, so half without the other is not very good.
Oh, and also, is my starter supposed to be moist?
It could be condensation from the heat.
It looks like oil.
Could be. Looks like you're leaking oil. Something's running down here.
Something. I still got full oil though, so.
Yeah, maybe it's power steering fluid.
It might be power steering fluid.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Could be. So what you're trying to tell me is they're gonna go find those clamps. Right? Did you leave them in there on the bed?
I have not touched any clamps.
Oh no. Panama Jack's coming.
Panama Jackson?
Panama Jack.
I'm curious what I'm leaking.
Oh. Oh, we found it.
Huh?
How did you like my plastic piece I brought?
He didn't know what it was for the longest time. He thought some stranger blew in a piece of tarp from the outdoor window, outdoor wilderness.
No, hey. So what, jams got put on hold for you?
Huh?
Jams got put on hold for you?
Dan?
Jam.
No, we're still doing jams.
Oh.
It's on right now.
Oh, shit.
It's called editing, don't worry.
Okay. You good at it?
Somewhat. I know how to cut.
We'll edit out the foul language you guys are talking while we're down here.
We'll just cut the whole thing out, don't worry.
I already talked about.
Okay.
Is that my tarp?
Yeah, this is your turf. Oh, man down.
That was as comfy as I thought it was when I was using that word.
Did it come from you?
Yeah.
Why'd you throw it in your truck and it's there on the ground then?
Because I needed to go and it's like the whole entire back seat of my truck.
Oh,
You have a bed.
it'll blow up.
He could have gotten weight to put in the bed.
I think it would have stayed very long in the bed.
Anyway.
I meant to bring it down here, I just forgot about it.
Actually, it could be transmission fluid.
Can you get me a pair of pliers, channel locks? They're in the top drawer in the black on the left. Yep. We'll touch it and see if it's red.
Oh, it's red.
Okay, well that's, if it's red then it's transmission fluid. I don't know where it's coming from.
I don't know it's coming from either, but it's fucking warm.
I wasn't the one that recommended doing this right after driving it 400 miles.
20.
26, thank you very much.
Yours is 26, mine's 20.
You want something else?
No, this is way more funner.
Okay. I figured they'd be snap rings, but they're not really snappy.
Ah, so these are long tube headers. That's nice to know.
What, you want to try it?
No, I'm gonna go put it on the vise.
All right. There's two of them, though.
What, one on either side?
No, only one on that one and one on this one.
Oh, okay.
Don't lose the nuts inside.
That's inside.
The little ball bearings inside. Hey, Colton?
Yippers. We found that out the hard way.
Yeah, I'll tell you. We're standing over next to the soda machine. Bam! Lost our nuts. Uh-oh.
What?
Might be a big tar scooter thing here, patching up some floor, maybe. It's all good. It's all good. You're good. You're good for another
The
year.
tar that's on the, this side has tar.
Probably running down the tar strip, mister.
I drive in the middle of the road.
That's why it's dangerous.
Not that middle of the road. My section of the middle of the road.
Oh, between your yellow and your white.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
What's this? What's
I hope
this?
we ain't losing him.
What's that thing? The white thing.
That white thing is just a hook.
Oh.
It's supposed to be a little loop thing for the cable to go by to keep it from falling in another direction.
Ah. Gotcha. That probably explains why I sometimes have two puddles.
I don't know why it would be coming from that direction. Now keep in mind your power steering fluid would kind of look red.
No, that was red bread though.
I'm just saying. You're on the passenger side though. It'd be on my side if it was.
See?
Get it, son? Alright, you're right. Now what do we do, Colton?
You need a hand.
A hand.
Brilliant deduction, Watson.
Brilliant deduction, Watson.
Nope.
Okay, you got that there? Why don't you slide over here where you could actually be...
Don't look dirt, we'll make it.
Keep coming. Get where you're underneath there, not all the way over here on your... There you go. I think I can do something like this. If I'm lucky, I can slide it in there. Not yet.
I'm just holding it up.
Okay, just hold it up. I'll figure out what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do that, I think. Okay, you gotta hold it. Hold it. Golden?
I don't have it from hitting your face.
Well, you weren't holding it up either,
I'm
son.
holding it up.
Okay, you were holding it up. You were holding it up. You were holding it up.
I only have one arm to do this with.
I told you to push it toward me a little.
Oh, you're towards you?
Yeah, like that. Hold it there. I need all my hands to do what I'm doing. Can't spare any to do what you're doing. Not to mention, I don't know how I'm going to get my hand there.
Lucky you.
You twist it. It's the twisting part.
Yeah, it's not the...
My arm's falling asleep, by the way.
Already?
Yeah, I'm not strong.
He admitted it.
Well, give me a minute.
Does that work too?
What?
Does that work too?
What you just did? It?
Yeah.
Kinda. I need to set a cap. Hopefully, that's what I probably need to do.
Push it on the top first.
No, I think I need to do. I think I got to do both of them out and put them both in all at the same time. Are you saying maybe we should get a jack stand to set this on?
Probably. Jack stand,
Please.
please.
Yeah.
Civil structure was not my strong suit.
What's that?
Civil structure is not my strong suit.
No.
No. Whoa, whoa.
So what you're saying is I gave you the part that I should have been doing. Holding.
Correctamundo. Because I only get back. Ah!
Colin,
Yeah?
at least his trap's not on a jack.
Fair enough.
Where's he at? Let go for a second. There's the shaft. We'll run the shaft where it is in the right location. Do not fall on my head again. Okay, you're wait a minute, what are you doing? Slide your jack in there now. Flip. Sam, good job. There you go. Okay, now you take your side, bring it back to that location. I'm going to take my side, try to push it where it needs to go, like that. Okay, so that's as far as you can let it go down, okay? Almost where it belongs, almost.
Almost.
I didn't say leave it, let it go down, but that's where you can. Hold it right there for a second. And get this other bolt in said location. Maybe. Dirty rotten hand work.
When your hands don't work like they used to before.
You don't know who made the exhaust one either on this side, do you?
Probably me.
You do. Okay, now you're gonna have to push it back towards me.
Like
there.
that.
Yeah, hold it there for a second.
As he almost loses an eyeball.
Yeah, well. Now I had a bolt in there, I thought.
Is Helper here still?
What's that?
Is Helper here still?
I don't know.
Helper, are you here? If he doesn't know.
Okay, now pick it up. Hold it up. No, you can't pull it your way. You gotta keep back this way.
I just pushed up.
I know, but you gotta go up higher than that. Right there, stop. trying to do here so I can.
Easy fun, dear.
Damn it. Gotta take the freaking topping off again.
Drop it.
Hey, no. Called Austin.
Yeah.
Trade me for the red one.
Okay.
Let it sit down on that thing right there. Okay, got it. Just let go of it. I'll set it where it ain't gonna move.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm coming. Hi, YouTube world. What's that?
Perfect. Daisy
Hello.
saying hi.
Hi, crazy dog. Okay, now you can pick it up for a second. Help me rotate it. There you go.
Back down.
Yeah, back in. Hold on. You don't need to operate the, when we're going, when we're not going.
Who knew a front drive shaft could be so much work?
Me?
You didn't think it was gonna be this hard?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, keep hold of that while I spin it around. It might be easier for me to see what I'm doing if I can. Crap. Wait a minute. 4 bolts out here. Now where did the rest of the bolts go? Austin!
Yo.
Where'd the other bolts go that I had here?
Put them on here.
Oh, I'm missing one. You want to get me another one?
They put them both there, Dad.
There's a whole bag.
Oh, where's your bag at?
On the toolbox, on that drawer that's pulled out, the long drawer.
As we now know, it sounds like a simple concept. It's not a simple concept. Right?
No, it's because it's complicated to be everywhere at the same time with 2 sets of hands.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see if I can only lose one. It's probably not the right option. Okay, one more thing, Austin.
Yep.
How about in the extension drawer, get me whatever longest 1/4 inch extension I got in there.
All right.
Does say this is gonna be another problematic area.
What?
Tightening those bolts.
Well, not if you get the right tool.
Not if you get the right tool, but I was reading this is a really heavy duty starter.
They're all that size.
Oh yeah, that
You got
size.
a 1/4 inch drive.
I must have never
Yeah,
seen a
that's what I
starter
got.
in my life.
1/4 inch drive. 'Cause I want to be able to go from here
All the way over.
to there. Okay, now you gotta pick up this.
Pick it up.
You gotta pick it up, otherwise I can't get to the.
Good.
Okay, now rotate it around. Stop there for a second. Uh-oh,
What?
my socket didn't come with me. Okay, now we're rotating it again.
Which way? That way?
Back whichever way, it doesn't much matter which way we go, but when we get back to there, it doesn't matter. Why won't this fit down there very well this way? Whoops.
Hold it so it doesn't spin on you.
Okay, Austin, how about a hammer? Hammer and some kind of punch thing.
Okay. What, the bigger one or the smaller one?
The smaller one,
What do you need a punch for?
because it ain't going in.
Oh.
And I think it's just because the thing needs pounded up in there and I can't get it to slide. But it may go if I push it. Which time then it would be more in the center and these bolts would be hitting the drive shaft. And I guess technically at this point you could almost try to get the front in.
Seems like there's a big gap between the front.
Well, it's supposed to slide on this guy right here.
Oh, this thing moves?
You're supposed to.
Oh, I did not know that.
Yep.
More here.
Yep. I knew the dirt part was going to come. Alright, let's go back to doing the front idea. We're going to leave that jiggle right there. Okay, what's your thing? Everything echoes under this truck.
Huh?
I said everything echoes under this truck.
Probably.
Okay, now you can get up here and get your tape off. Go, move your hand.
Okay.
I meant for you to get your hand over here and figure out where the tape starts and ends. So
Oh.
you could,
Well, it's not on my side. Oh, wait. Maybe
it's
it
not
is.
on my side either.
I think it's right here.
Maybe there's no end to it.
Maybe there's no end to it. Maybe you could just rip it like this and get your little fingernail in there.
I got nobody's holding it.
What's that?
I got nobody's holding it.
Yeah, you like that?
Everybody's got their hand on one end.
That's because the other end's
Oh, that's
kinda-
like a perfect angle right there.
It's pretty heavy.
It does move. Oh shit.
Tight stuff.
What's that, Shyster? Yeah, Colt, what are you doing?
I don't know.
The idea is try to help me get that in there. Okay, hold on. Is it in there enough that the clamps can go kind of on there?
Yeah.
Okay, Austin, we need 3 more bolts. Maybe more if we lose them.
See, I did not know that slid.
Why would you? You didn't ask.
Fair enough. Well, it didn't move any other time when we fiddle with it, so I didn't think it slid.
Oh, wait a minute. We need these clips on these caps, too. Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta backtrack. Got ahead of myself again.
I got those 2 times they stayed on.
What's that hot calling?
Those 2 times all the bearings stayed in.
Don't say that out loud. Jeez. You want to play 52 pickup again?
No.
This is how it moves when the suspension travels in and up and down. When it
Ah.
goes up, it needs to get shorter, so it goes. And when it comes down, or you
So we should
articulate,
lubricate
it goes. Yeah, that's why there's a grease fitting over here somewhere, right there.
Right there, yeah.
So then when it goes up and down, it goes in, out, in,
Alright, that's why you said this is the front and not the back, because this is the part that slides. Precisely.
The back does too.
What?
The back slides too. It's in the transmission side. So, drive shaft's in. These bolts are tightened. One thing to know that on this vehicle, you're able to rotate the drive shaft and do the other side without having to reach around. If you have a hard time reaching around the drive shaft, you can just twist it around. This would be the front side by the pumpkin. And here, same thing. You tighten one side, tighten the other. Bada bing, bada bang. Another install by Board in the Barn.